Is your on-streaming device stuck on a black screen but you can still hear sound? Don't worry, you are not alone. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through the fastest, most effective ways to fix it and get your screen back in action. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If your on-streaming device is showing a black screen but still playing sound, it's likely a display or connection issue and you have to come to the right place. In this video, we will show you several proven methods to fix the problem, from quick hardware checks to deeper resets. Stick around, one of these is bound to work. Method 1. Check the main power source. Start by plugging your ONN device directly into a wall outlet using the original power adapter that came with it. Avoid using third-party adapters, they may not deliver consistent power, which can affect video output. Method 2. Test different outlets. Try plugging the power adapter into a different wall outlet to rule out any issues with the current one. You can also test with another compatible power cable and adapter to eliminate the possibility of a faulty power source. Method 3. Avoid using the USB ports. Do not power your ONN device through a TV USB port unless it's specifically rated to provide enough power. Most TV USB ports fall short, which can lead to partial functionality like sound without video or even long-term damage. Method 4. Check the LED lights. When powering on the device, look for the LED indicator on the ON. If there is no light, it may not be receiving power properly. Try switching outlets or cables to confirm. Method 5. Check the TV connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the ONN device and your TV or monitor. Verify that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Also, inspect the ONN device and its cables for any signs of physical damage that could affect video output. You can also power cycle the ONN device and see if that works. Method 6. Perform a factory reset. If the previous methods didn't work and you are still experiencing a black screen without sound on your ONN device, reset the device to its factory settings. Here is how to reset your ONN device. Locate the small reset button, usually located near the HDMI port. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. While still holding the button, unplug the device from power. Continue holding for another 10 seconds. Plug the device back in while still holding the button. Release the button when the recovery menu appears. Use the reset button to scroll to Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Press and hold the button to select it. On the next screen, select Factory Data Reset again. Wait for the process to complete. Select Reboot System now. Once the device restarts, you will be taken to the setup screen. Follow the prompts to reconfigure your ONN. Method 7. Contact ONN support. If none of these methods work, reach out to ONN support. Their experts can guide you through advanced troubleshooting or repair options. And that's it. Your complete guide to fixing an on-streaming device stuck on a black screen with sound. If one of these methods worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Got a tip that helped? Share it in the comments. You might just help someone else out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.